Imagine waking up one day and seeing that the money you invested has doubled in value. Sounds exciting, right? This is why millions of people around the world are talking about cryptocurrency. But what exactly is crypto? Is it just digital money? Is it safe? And why are people investing billions of dollars into it? In this video, I'll explain cryptocurrency in the simplest way possible. By the end, you'll understand what Bitcoin is, how blockchain works, why cryptocurrencies have value, and what every beginner should know before investing. Let's get started. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital form of money. Unlike traditional money issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks. Think of it this way. When you send money through a bank, the bank verifies and records the transaction. With cryptocurrency, there is no central bank controlling everything. Instead, thousands of computers around the world work together to verify every transaction. This makes crypto transparent, secure, and difficult to manipulate. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. It was designed to allow people to send money directly to each other without relying on banks. One reason Bitcoin became valuable is that its supply is limited. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. Just like gold is valuable because it's scarce, Bitcoin's limited supply is one of the reasons many people consider it digital gold. What is blockchain? Now let's understand the technology behind crypto. Imagine a notebook that records every transaction ever made. Instead of one person owning the notebook, millions of identical copies exist around the world. Whenever a new transaction happens, every copy gets updated. This shared digital notebook is called the blockchain because thousands of computers store the same information. Changing or hacking the records becomes extremely difficult. That's why blockchain is considered one of the biggest technological innovations of this century. Why do people invest in crypto? People invest in cryptocurrencies for different reasons. Some believe prices will continue to grow over time. Others like the technology behind blockchain. Some use crypto to transfer money across countries quickly. However, crypto is also highly volatile. Prices can rise rapidly, but they can also fall just as fast. That's why investing without understanding the risks can be dangerous. Is crypto safe? The technology itself is very secure, but scams, fake investment schemes, and phishing attacks are common. Always use trusted exchanges. Never share your wallet's private keys or recovery phrase with anyone. And remember, never invest money that you cannot afford to lose. How can beginners start? If you're new to cryptocurrency, start by learning. Understand Bitcoin. Learn about Ethereum. Study blockchain technology. Only after gaining knowledge should you consider investing, and even then, start with a small amount. Knowledge is your best investment. Cryptocurrency has changed the financial world, but success doesn't come from following hype. It comes from understanding the technology and making informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Wealth Fork for simple, beginner-friendly finance and crypto content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.